Let's find the volume of a cone. The volume of a cone has a very interesting relationship with the volume of a cylinder. So what I'm going to do, I drew this amazing looking cone here, and I'm going to put it in a cylinder with the same dimensions, meaning it has the same top. It goes to the exact bottom. I have to kind of erase this a little bit. All right. So a cone that fits inside of a cylinder perfectly with the same exact top base will fill up exactly 1/3 of the cylinder. Okay. Which means, I know this is a cone, and I wrote the word cylinder. If I have the volume of a cylinder with the same exact dimensions as the cone, meaning let's say the height is 5, the exact height of this is 5 inches, and let's say the radius is 2 inches. If I were to find the volume of the cylinder using how to find a cylinder, volume of a cylinder, and then find 1/3 of that, that would give me the volume of the cone with the same exact dimensions. So if you recall, the volume of a cylinder is base times height. But of course, capital B means the area of the base. So the volume is going to be pi r squared, which is the circle, times the height. But now the last thing I have to do is remember, I have to then multiply that by 1/3 at the end because I'm dealing with a cone. Okay, so let's bring it up to here. The volume of this cone is just going to be pi times my radius squared times my height, and then lastly times 1/3. Instead of times 1/3, you might see the entire volume just divided by 3. It really means the same thing. So now let's do this. Will be 4 times 5. That gives me 20, and then times 1/3. I'm just showing all of my work here. And then I could do pi times 20/3. That would be 20 times 1/3. And my last step now is just to figure out approximately the value. I'm going to do 3.14 times parentheses 20/3. And my volume is approximately 20.9, I'll put approximately sign, inches cubed.